my channel, The Baking Diva, and to all my new subscribers out there, welcome aboard. I'm in New Jersey, and let me tell you, I think Mother Nature has flipped her lid. Yesterday, it was 80 degrees outside. It was so warm, people were putting on their air conditioners because we have a lot of humidity. And were spraying themselves outdoors with sunscreen like there was no tomorrow. Today it's 40, half of that. It's cloudy, cold, and yucky. And tomorrow it's supposed to be the same with heavy rains and winds. Can you believe that? I don't know. Mother Nature better get her act together because I'm starting to wonder if we're ever going to have spring. But anyway, I'm going to pretend that it's spring and summer. And today, I'm going to make something special for you. Something that young and old alike will love. Children and adults who act like children. Everyone will love this. So let me give you a hint what it's going to be. First of all, do you know what this is? Of course you do. It's a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. What are we going to use it for? Well, I'm ready to tell you. Are you guys ready? All right, so let's get started. This is Ziploc Fudge in a baggie. It's so good. It is perfect to take on camping trips to let the kids do. You can make these bags ahead. I'm going to show you how. You can take them on road trips. Let the kids do it in the car. Perfect for kids' birthday parties or just any time. Like I said, young and old alike will have fun making this fudge. So, here we go. Are you ready? Set, go! Alrighty, the first thing you're going to need is two 1-gallon Ziploc bags. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of them, going to open the little baby up, and in it we are going to put 3 ounces of softened cream cheese. That's right, put this cream cheese right in the bag. There we go. That's 1. Easy enough, right? Next we are going to put in 2 tablespoons of softened butter. I've already pre-measured everything. We just throw that into the bag. Alrighty. Next, we have a 1/2 cup of cocoa. So I'm going to put that in. All goes right in this Ziploc bag. Next, we're going to put 1 pound, that's right, I happen to have a 1-pound box of confectioners sugar. So let me open that up. Put that right in the bag. It's messy, but it's fun. You get it right in the bag, no problems. Here we go. So we have 1 pound of confectioner's sugar in the bag. Look at that. That's it. Now try to get as much air out of the bag as you can. Here we go. And zip it closed. Now what are we going to do with this bag? We're going to put it inside the other bag, just so we don't have any accidents and everything works out just fine. So you put 1 bag right inside the other bag. Just like that. Now comes the fun part. This is the part that everybody has a good time doing. Let me get that in there. All right. Here we go. We zip that closed. Alrighty. Get them even on the top as much as you can. The 2 Ziplocs. You see how I did that? Now what do you start doing? Try to get the air out of both of the bags if you can. There we go. Much air out of there as you can. That's good. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna squeeze, and we're gonna squish, and we're gonna pat, and we're gonna do whatever we can to get all that ingredients mixed up. This is a lot of fun. So you squish, squish, squish what's in that bag. Kids love to do this. You press it down. You keep squishing. I must look like a mad woman. You know I'm cray-cray, all of you out there, but it's so much fun. And we're gonna just keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Sometimes it could take about 10 minutes, but the kids have a lot of fun doing it. So I'm gonna finish squeezing, squishing, pounding off camera, and I'll be right back to show you what it's supposed to look like and what we do next. Squish, 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 get those muscles. Squish, squish, squish. Okay, so I'm all done squishing, kneading, pounding. You can get it from the sides. And I'm not gonna lie to you, this is not something that you can finish in like 2 minutes. This could take a good 15 minutes to do. Because you gotta remember, it's a lot of dry ingredients in there, and you're kneading it to get the cream cheese and the butter all mixed in there. The best suggestion I would make, and it's the most fun, let's say you're camping with a group or you're at a party, pass your bag around to each person and let them all take turns doing it. This way your hands won't get so tired like mine, and it goes faster. Now there's a couple of ways that people do this. What I did is I flattened it all. I don't really know if you can see it, but I flattened it all. I took the other bag off so I could see a little bit better what I was doing. And I flattened it all, pushed it all down, and got it as even as I could. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my kitchen shears, and I am going to cut them off the top of this. So you take your scissor, and you cut along the sides of the Ziploc bag. The fudge isn't going to be perfect, let's face it. You're not using hot fudge here, but it's going to taste good. And we'll take down the other side. Go down there to the end. And then I'm going to pick it up and pull it down there. Now, if you want, you can put this on a dish and chill it for a little while, but you don't have to. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my butter knife, and I'm just gonna cut it. And if you're home, doing this at home, and at the end you could even take a rolling pin and just go like that over it. I'm gonna cut it into little squares. And they come out perfect. You know, the ends will be a little rough, but that's okay. Just eat them. And here we go. Let me get it out of here. I didn't bring a spatula. And here we have our Ziploc in a baggy fudge. Doesn't that look good? And I bet it tastes good too. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this. It's a fun thing. And that's what it's meant to be. It's meant to be a fun little project. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go below and hit subscribe, so you subscribe to my channel, and you can keep seeing all these fun things I have coming up. Give me a thumbs up. I'm choking on my fudge, excuse me. Give me a thumbs up. Make a comment. I'd love, love, love to hear your comments. And if you know of somebody that has kids' parties or camps or whatever, feel free to share this recipe with them. Share my video with them. They'll have as much fun as you will making it. So I love you guys. I hope to see you soon. I'll insert a still of my fudge out on the plate. Get some muscles there. Get some people to help you knead, and have a great time. See you soon. Toodles.